Hello everyone! In today's video, for those using Binance for the first time, starting with the process of signing up through the mobile app, to KYC identity verification and account security settings, I will guide you through everything step by step. It is not difficult, so follow the steps on the screen in order. First, I will show you how to create a Binance account. Open the App Store or Play Store on your mobile phone. Search for Binance and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Select I'm new to crypto on the first screen. Now, let's create the account you will use to sign up. Between an email address and a mobile number, choose the option that is more convenient for you and enter the information. Check the agreement box shown below. Press the register button. When a verification code is sent to the email address or mobile number you entered, enter the code you received in the corresponding field. Next, set the password you will use to log in. To keep your account secure, your password must be at least 8 characters long. Make sure it includes an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and a number. Once the setup is complete, press the Continue button to move to the next step. Next is the process of registering an inviter. After your account has been created, the inviter information cannot be added or changed to a different code. Therefore, you must make sure to register it at this stage. Select Yes on the screen asking whether you want to register an inviter. When the Referral ID field appears, enter BB333 exactly. By registering this code, you can receive a lifetime 20% discount on Binance trading fees, as well as various new user bonus benefits. After completing the registration, check the screen to confirm that the 20% fee discount has been applied successfully. Second, I will show you how to complete KYC verification. To use deposits and withdrawals on Binance, as well as the trading features without restrictions, you must complete KYC verification. First, select residence, and then select document issuing country. Next, select the identification document you will use to verify your identity. Check the document type list, and choose one of the identification documents you currently have. In today's video, we will proceed using a passport. Once you have selected your identification document, check the agreement box below, and press the Continue button. After preparing the identification document you want to photograph, select the Take Pictures button. When the camera opens, position your identification document correctly inside the frame, and take clear pictures of the front and back in order. Once you finish photographing your identification document, facial verification will begin immediately. Position your face inside the frame in the center of the screen, then follow the instructions and nod your head or blink your eyes. After completing all the steps, your KYC verification request will be submitted. The KYC review may take approximately 1 hour. Once the review has been completed successfully, you will see that your verification status has changed to verified. Third, I will show you how to configure your account security settings. Since your Binance account stores important personal information and assets to use your account more securely, it is strongly recommended to enable two-factor authentication. Go to the Binance home screen and press the Binance icon in the upper left corner. Then press the arrow icon in the upper right corner, and select Security from the menu that appears. When the various security verification methods appear, this time, we will use the option with the strongest level of security, and configure it using an Authenticator app. If you do not have an Authenticator app installed, first press the Download button to download the app. Once the download is complete, press the Enable Authenticator app button. When a verification code is sent to the email address or mobile number you entered, enter the code you received in the corresponding field. Next, the Authenticator link screen will appear. After checking the Binance 16-digit key displayed on the screen, press the Copy button to copy it. Open the Google Authenticator app you installed, and press the plus button in the lower right corner. Then select Enter a setup key. Enter Binance in the codename field, and paste the 16-digit key copied from the Binance app into the Your Key field. Once you have entered the information, press the Add button below. Now, in the Google Authenticator app, your Binance account will be connected successfully, and a 6-digit code for that account will be generated. After copying the 6-digit code displayed on the screen, Return to the Binance app. Press the next button below. And when the Authenticator app code field appears, paste the 6-digit code copied from Google Authenticator. Once the code has been verified, Google Authenticator will be activated, and the two-factor authentication setup for your Binance account will be complete. Lastly, I will show you how to switch to Pro mode. To use the various trading features provided by Binance, you need to switch the app to Pro mode. First, tap the Binance icon in the top left corner of the Binance home screen. If you look at the bottom, you will see the Binance Pro button. When you select this button once, the app will immediately switch to Binance Pro mode. You can now use the various features supported by Binance. In today's video, for those using Binance for the first time, we covered everything from signing up through the mobile app, to KYC identity verification and account security settings with a detailed step-by-step guide. If you encounter any difficulties or have any questions during the process, please feel free to leave a comment. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. And thank you for watching until the end.